What's up, traders? It's your professor here again to give you a live market recap on what we did, how we did it, and what's to come. So, for everyone that's in our community, congratulations. We called out the market beautifully, and we continue to see success in the room through these recaps, through educating you guys, and the consistency of the STX trading model. Okay, so a lot of interesting things happened today. We've seen our model numbers break, and when our model number breaks, for the last 2 days, we've seen the market pretty much chop the last two trading days, and we didn't even do much during those trading days, and we just taking shots with profits, but not going aggressive. Today, we noticed that the market wanted to go, and we let it go, and we definitely played the upside only all day. Okay, so before I get into all of the key things, I want to go over the trades I personally took today. So the trades I personally took today, this shouldn't be here, is pretty much we played SPX. We had snow right near open, took that, and this was actually a very beautiful sell. Recognize that snow had a very hard level at around 167, 168. So this selling it at this price was a good move. It went to around 3-ish later on in the evening, but that was an awesome sell. So we also had more SPX, one with a larger position, scaled back, and then pretty much left those runners. And we sold the last batch at around here for our 45.50 calls, and we caught Netflix as well at the high of the day as well. The room did awesome as well. So I wanted to get in to other trades early on, but it's more harder to manage when you have multiple trades. I pretty much liked everything because a lot of the stocks that we were watching on our watch list hit my inflection points. So I pretty much call out SPY here today at around the 452 for small accounts. This went to $2. Okay, so from $60 to around $200 per contract. Nice trade there. And if you guys are in the free Discord channel, you guys had access to all of this. Congratulations to Slacks on getting the 45.30 calls, making money off that. Jax took nice trades on lrcx 720 call and 730 320 smci calls. RJ killing it with all the equity plays. You got a bunch of equity stuff that is going down. And a lot of people overall made a lot of money. Congrats to Cells as well for getting the 4,600 call at 80 cents and selling it around too. So a lot of members in the room are killing it, and all has to do with our setups that we do. So every weekend I do my analysis of where the market is projected to go. So for this week, we estimate that SPX weekly highs around 45.60. We mentioned that as when SPX breaks 45.20, that's when we start to push. Okay, so 45.20 is out of our no man's land. For today, our numbers were our first inflection point 45.22, 45.25, and then 45.30. These numbers were breaking with ease today. So we knew right away when our level 3 bullish breaks early on, the market wants to rip and it wants to keep going nonstop. We also knew that heading into today, there's basically a bond auction, a 20-year bond auction that was happening. So right when this happened over here, we got a massive spike. I sold my SPX calls or somewhere around there and took those profits. So we knew that the market was going to trend hands down, and pretty much we got the indicators as per my model indicating on the weekly premium that the market was going to continue to rip nonstop, as we've seen strength on the 45.60 call that we analyzed. So the market was definitely trending, no bias in my room, and we kept playing it. Okay, so definitely we've seen strength in chips. A lot of the team members made money off lrcx. I called that out, but I didn't manage to take it because I didn't get a fill. We got some plays on we knew not to play Tesla at all because it wasn't hitting our inflection point. But one of the ideal trades that hit our inflection point actually was Netflix. So Netflix hit our 272 level 1 bullish right over here. We got into the 280 calls and then sold it right there and managed to take nice profits. They could probably rip if we want to swing it, but you know, the confirmation wasn't there and we sold it at the high of the day. Right now going forward, we're also in SMCI calls because we're still bullish on the overall market. Okay. Now, my overview projection here is that I think SPX is likely to open 10 to 20 points before market open here. So because as I said in my numbers here, if SPX, let me see, if SPX breaks above 45, 30, 45, 42, we're likely to test the weekly high range, which is at 45.60. Okay, so stay tuned for that for my analysis. And if you guys are in the room, I can tell you for sure you're missing out because we're giving a lot of free trades and a lot of amazing stuff. And everyone that has their doubts about our room and thinking that we're just, you know, showing constant success for bullshit, this, that, you know, I'll challenge you guys. Get a free trial. I don't need any of your credit card information. There's no obligation whatsoever. I will challenge you guys that if you take a 5-day trial, you guys are going to join. Okay. I've been seeing that with everyone that takes a 5-day trial. They immediately join my room because we're that consistent and so forth. Right. I don't play large plays only because I prefer personally not to. I think that being consistent and having 2 to 3K, even sometimes 5, even sometimes 20K wins is a lot better than, you know, putting all these profits on the line here. It makes more sense to do this for us because for me, you know, my focus is on the chat. My focus is making money consistent. If you want consistent plays, then our room is a place to be. So thanks for tuning in, guys. See you in the room. Once again, let's get that money. And DM me if you guys are interested in a free trial. We are open to sharing our knowledge and wisdom and our success with you. So take care now.